The design and development of rapid e-learning is built on a solid framework, consists of a number of essential components. Let's look at 5 must-haves for successful e-learning design and development. Your rapid e-learning initiatives require goals in order to develop objective statements. You may locate the most pertinent course content from your already existing learning resources by having well-defined learning objectives. While an instructional designer is crucial for developing an interactive e-learning course, you'll also need the assistance of a SME to gather the pertinent content. Rapid authoring tools enable you to update your courses considerably more quickly and without the requirement for technologically advanced resources. No e-learning course can keep learners' interest for very long without incorporated interactive components, which negates the purpose of developing a learning course entirely. Unless you have a clear evaluation criterion, you cannot evaluate the performance of the learners. Want to join our community of L&D enthusiasts? Click the subscribe button now.